Arjun and welcome back to another amazing recipe. I recently had banoffee pie and I fell in love with it. Banoffee pie is a pie with banana and toffee, banoffee, and today I really wanted to give it a try. So before we get into it, please subscribe to our channel. Let's go! First, we'll prepare our toffee. I'll start by taking a pressure cooker with water in it, and I'll put a can of condensed milk into it, and I'll let it submerge. And I'll cover it. I'll turn on the flame, and I'll wait for the pressure cooker to leave one whistle. Now that one whistle has come, I'll turn down the flame, and I'll let it cook on low flame for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes, so I'll turn off the flame. Now I'll let it sit. I won't open it until it cools completely. It's been 20 minutes, so I'll take it out of the water. Now I'll let it cool completely before I open it. Now it has completely cooled. Let's open it. Let's take it out in a bowl. Now we'll take biscuits and I'll grind them. Now into this cookie powder, I'll add in butter. And I'll mix it with my hands. Now we'll take our tin and I'll add in some of our cookie powder and I'll flatten it. This cake tin that I have has removable sides. You can use a glass pan to serve too. Now I'll use this cookie powder to form balls. Now I'll place this in the fridge for 20 minutes. In the meantime, I'll chop bananas. We have to cut normal sized slices. And now I'll whip some whipping cream. Now into our pie we'll add in the caramel. Now goes on a layer of bananas. And now goes on our whipped cream. Now I'll dust some cocoa powder. Now I'll place it in the fridge for 5 hours to let it set.
5 hours later.
Now I'll take a glass and I'll keep it under our banoffee pile. I'll open our tin carefully and I'll take our tin down. Yay! Our pie is ready! This pie looks absolutely amazing. I can't wait to try it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you!